This is Uma. Yeah, this is a Pia Wynn daughter. She's about going on 11 weeks. Uma, come here. Sit. Good girl. Come here, Uma. Sit. Stay. Uma, look. Down. Good girl. Good down. Is it a chewy one, huh? Is it a chewy one? Okay, you can get up. Good girl. Come here, Uma. She really likes this toy. Don't you? Well, not when I have food. Come here. Well, you want food now, huh? Come here, sit. Good girl. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yeah, hello. I don't have any cookies. Sit. Uma, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. No, happy girl. Wanna get your toy? Toy. She loves playing tug. Come here. Come on. Get your toy. Oh, you'd rather have treats. Imagine that. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Good girl.